just ordered that Choco Musk that everyone keeps talking about on TikTok. Here is my package. I ordered mine on Amazon. I didn't order it on TikTok because I didn't want to pay shipping. But this is going to be an honest review. I'm about to open it right now. All right, let's open the parcel. All right, this is what it looks like. Y'all, this is a real review. This is the bottle. TikTok is not paying me. Let me turn down this. Okay. Look, the tips smell good. Okay, let's see. Oh, gosh. It's spray out. Okay, smell a little alcohol-y right now. Let's let it dry down. It definitely smells like chocolate. It definitely smells like you can stack the fragrances to create your own like signature scent. I have a lot of scents that will go good with this. So let's see. What do it smell like? It does smell like chocolate. It smells good. It smells good. It was $10 on Amazon, but free shipping. Free shipping. $10 on Amazon. I finally got it. Let's see how it wears the rest of the day. I have to go to work, and I'll come back and tell you how it wore. If it's lasting, I don't know. Stay tuned. Y'all, I had to come back on here because I just smell like this sweet, delicious dessert. It smells so good. I want to take a nap, but I just keep smelling myself. So let me come over here and tell them about it. It smells so good. I'm glad I got it. So if you were ever, I get tongue tied. If you were ever thinking about ordering the Choco Musk, go ahead and do it, girl. You won't regret it. It is what is it called? A Gourmand. Okay, a Gourmand. It smells like food. It smells like dessert. You won't regret it. Spread it everywhere. Combine it with some of your other warm fragrances and get ate up. Get swallowed. Get swallowed up by your man. Okay, my final thoughts on the Choco Musk. It smells delicious. It definitely smells like chocolate. It is a layering fragrance, but it do not have any lasting power. You're not going to walk past somebody and be like, oh my gosh, you smell so good. But I think it can add something special to like a vanilla fragrance or some type of other warm fragrance. So I definitely recommend buying it. So if you want to get it, get it. It smells delicious. I put some on last night after a shower, and it's just mild. You know what I'm saying? But when you smell yourself, it smells good. You smell edible. So make sure you guys leave a thumbs up and follow for more. Share this video because this is a real review.